It was Henry Longfellow that penned, "The heights by great men reach and kept were not attained by sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upwards through the night." This quote represents my YouTube journey, and it teaches me that things will not always happen at once. Not only will it not happen at once, but the journey, we have to learn to trust it, because along the journey, there are gems that we will pick up that will be valuable for the destination. And to be honest, YouTube has helped me so much. YouTube has helped to boost my confidence. YouTube has helped to boost my speech. YouTube has just helped to boost my skill sets in terms of video editing. I didn't even know I could edit a video until I took a camera up sometime last year, December, and decided that I'm going to do YouTube. YouTube would have even helped me to be a little more creative, because I would normally go on Canva and create my own designs and stuff like that. But now it gives me a little push. I'm still not where I want to be, but guess what? We're going to do it little by little until we get there. There has been days where I don't want to do this because the discouragements that I get every single time when I post a video and persons don't view it, or I don't get the amount of likes that I'm expecting to get, and the way I feel when I have to be talking to a camera, that, like, you're wondering, will this video reach where I want it to reach, or who I want it to reach? And there were times when I cried. There were days when I never wanted to take the camera up because I'm saying I'm wasting my time. But I've now come to a place. I've come to a place in my journey where I'm now saying it's not so much about the destination, but more so the journey. Because there are certain things that you will pick up on the journey that will help you at the destination. But guess what? Like, you have to start. So despite the limiting beliefs, despite how you're feeling, despite the fact that you probably don't have the expensive cameras, because I don't have an expensive camera. I'm actually using my phone to record and my tripod. I don't pay for any expensive video editing apps. I use CapCut and I use a free version of it. So despite all that you're thinking, if this journey is one you want to take on, then go ahead and do it. Of course, like, even as I'm recording, I'm just at 311 subscribers. But I am conscious of the fact that even if I don't blow up, my prayer before every video and thereafter is that, Abba, even if I don't get to the 1,000 or the 10,000 subscribers, help me to reach even one. Because the power of one is so great, we would not even fathom it. Because one person, if you can get to one heart, if you can change one life, then that one heart, that one life can change another 1 or 5 or 10. And that impact would be because of you. And so, like, I'm just here and I just want to tell you that if you are in a place where you want to start the YouTube journey but you're scared, do it. I remember last year when I first started, I was so scared, like, it's not even funny. And I remembered the limiting beliefs that I had. I'm not pretty enough. I don't have enough to say. I am not that girl. And all the limiting beliefs, those things that comes when you're supposed to be doing something. Like, I love talking. I love writing. I love being, and I love helping others. And so when I started this journey, and sometimes when I get discouraged, I have to remember my why. So I'm charging you, even though if you are starting the YouTube journey, if you haven't yet started, or if you don't even have enough subscribers like me, remember your why. Why do you want to do it? Think about yourself 5 years from now. It might not be your next video that blows up. It might not be the next video after that video. It might not be until probably your 100th video. But then at the end of the day, one day things will change. But things can only change if you do not give up. So I want you to get into a place even now where you think about where you want to be. It's not so much about getting to the destination, it's about enjoying the journey while you get there. And so whatever you have, as long as it is a dream that you have to just come on here and do it, you will get better. You will become more confident, because I've gotten more confident from the first time I went on an Instagram live. It was so horrible. I'm like, oh Jesus, what am I doing on here? Everything was just off. I'm not where I want to be, but I'm not where I used to be. And that's the most amazing thing about this journey for me. It's understanding that it's not so much the big subscribers. And even if I don't get there, I'm still grateful, because my prayer is still this: Abba Father, help me to reach, if it's even one. You might be a little bit scared. You don't know what to do. You're trying to figure it out yourself. But I'm going to charge you to go ahead, even now, take up that camera, take up that phone, take up that tripod. If you don't even have a tripod, whatever you have in your hand, use it. Use it as a weapon. And then as you navigate life, things will start flowing. But at the end of the day, remember that if you don't do it, nobody else will. And so you just have to take the plunge. Whatever fears you have, fear will leave eventually. Or even if it doesn't leave, do it scared. So think about it. Whatever you need is all in you. You don't need anything extra. You have every single thing you need. I know that I should say, okay, go ahead and watch a few other videos or like and subscribe, but that's not what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is to charge you to go ahead, start putting things into perspective so that you can become 2 or 3 or even 1 months from now. You can look back and smile at the fact that you would have started. Do it. We are here cheering for you. Even if I don't get to see it, there's somebody in your circle that is depending on you. Even if there's not somebody in your circle depending on you, there's somebody out here waiting to hear your voice, waiting to see you make the difference. It's not so much about the destination, it's more about the journey. And even if I don't get there, I am thankful to God that I would have started, because this thing has helped me to build my character, build my confidence, and it has helped me to influence even the life of one. Listen, go ahead and do it. Trust the process, because in the process lies gems that will help you to win. May God bless you, and I will see you next time.